Are you a plumber that just gets frustrated when the property owner's not present? Or maybe a property owner that lives out of state and there's this disconnect because they're not there?
Or you're losing a lot of jobs and estimates. And homeowners, this could be good for you as well. If you're hiring a plumber and you're not there, these are some of the expectations that you can put on that plumber that's going to service your property.
So in today's 2-Minute Tech Talk, we're going to go over the best ways on how to maximize a homeowner when they're not there.
And the clock starts now.
Hey guys, so before we get started, I'd love to hear your comments on how you deal with a property owner that is not present or a property owner that lives out of state. Love to get that feedback.
So tip number one, guys, here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to just get to the job and send a quick little text with a very small description of the work. That's not going to deliver any value or communicate or give any credibility to yourself at their property.
What you do want to do, and sometimes this is uncomfortable, but it really offers a lot of value, peace of mind, trust, gets everybody on the same page, is just say, hey, Mrs. Jones, do you mind maybe joining me on FaceTime so we can all get together here and just make sure that we're on the same page? And I'm going to be able to provide you a better visual perspective, and with that, be able to offer some different options on those repairs.
Yeah. So tip number two, guys, your job again is to bring that customer to their property. So by doing a good short video, you don't want anything long, 30, 40 seconds. You want to be able to show that customer all of the damage or the exact pipe that's broken, whatever the situation is, you want to be able to identify it and bring them to that job. That's going to go a long ways.
So a simple text message or an email with that video footage really brings that customer in. Then a follow-up conversation after that visual perspective will always win.
Well, hopefully this video helped, guys. As always,
thanks for watching.